Hi everybody, this is Dr. ZEESHAN, Associate Professor of Medicine at Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center Karachi and Jinnah Medical University Karachi. I am currently Vice President of Pakistan Study of Hepatology and Chair Organizing Committee of 20th Annual Conference of Pakistan Study of Hepatology. This conference was originally planned to be a physical conference at Karachi, but due to COVID-19, we have decided to hold this conference in complete virtual environment this year. This is going to be first ever experience in Pakistan for a complete medical conference being conducted in a virtual environment. We hope that our IT team and the software developers they have promised are able to deliver. If we are successful, this will be an excellent environment and it will take our IT industry and medical education to a different level. This is a complete 3D experience in which the attendees could roam around and socialize in the lobby area and talk to each other and interact with each other in a virtual environment. They would have liberty to go into the exhibition area or look into the video on demand by different medical lectures which they may have missed due to time constraints, or they immediately walk into the live sessions which are being conducted by the world-renowned faculty. Faculty which we have invited is a well-published, well-known faculty across the world. They have invitations from every corner of the world and they are very reputed speakers and researchers. I hope this conference gets the attention which it demands and we get good registrations and attendees. This would be an asset to medical education in Pakistan, and I am thankful to the Disease Digest for covering this conference and promoting it. I am waiting for all of you to join us on 25th of September 2020 at the Pakistan Society of Hepatology, and we visit Pakistan Society of Hepatology website frequently. The link will be live in a few days. So see you soon for the Pakistan's first ever digital conference in completely virtual environment. Thank you very much.